Deals are won or lost during sales conversations. And too often, a few high-performing superstars drive the vast majority of revenue, while busy sales leaders struggle to understand how to scale success across their entire team. That's why top-performing sales teams use Conversation AI from Revenue.io. Conversation AI removes the guesswork from sales by automatically revealing the behaviors, tactics, and techniques that deliver faster growth. At last, managers can instantly understand why top performers keep winning and replicate the messaging and behaviors proven to drive pipeline and revenue across the entire team. Insights from Conversation AI empower managers to have more impactful coaching sessions. And Conversation AI even automates coaching by sending reps notifications when a conversation doesn't align with your proven best practices, as well as insights learned from millions of sales conversations across the Revenue platform. Conversation AI offers the industry's most powerful Salesforce integration, making conversations as reportable and actionable as all your other engagement data, so you can stop depending on intuition and start acting on insights. And as reps improve, Conversation AI automatically measures their progress against goals. Conversation AI also works seamlessly with Zoom, making it the perfect standalone conversation intelligence solution. But when combined with the Revenue platform, it's even more powerful. Revenue.io delivers the most comprehensive suite of conversation intelligence solutions available. And as your team expands, Revenue.io will grow with you, transforming your conversation intelligence data into next best actions for sales engagement, coaching and training, revenue intelligence, and more. But don't just take our word for it. Ready to build a team of top performers? Learn more at Revenue.io.